Hello friends, I have chosen this question from last year NDA paper. Let's read the question and let's try to find out how we are going to solve it. Okay, so a body has a mass of 50 kg. Its velocity is brought down from 20 meter per second to 5 meter per second by a resisting force in 5 seconds. The magnitude of the resisting force is, it is a multiple choice question. So mass of the body is given to us, and the initial and final speeds of the body are given to us, and they are saying that they are stopping, they are applying brakes in order to slow down the body, and by doing so they are taking 5 seconds of time. Okay, so we have to find out the resisting force, or simply you have to find out what force you will have to apply in order to decrease the velocity. Okay, so you can pause the video for a while and try to do this numerical on your own, and write your answer in the chat box or in the comment box. You can pause the video right now. Okay, if you have tried to solve this question, then I hope that you have already written your comment in the comment section. So let's try to solve this question now, and you can in the meanwhile you can also check whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay, so first of all I'm going to write down what is given to us. Simple. Given to us is the mass of the body is 50 kg. So I'm going to write down mass is equals to 50 kg. Okay, the next thing is the velocity is brought down. See, the velocity is decreasing. So here this is the initial velocity and this is the final velocity. So I'm going to mark initial velocity with small u, which is 20 meter per second, and final velocity with v, that is 5 meter per second. Okay, and in doing so they are taking 5 seconds of time. Fine. Now we have to find out the resisting force. Now from the that resisting force, from the second law of Newton, you can write down it as mass into acceleration. Force is mass into acceleration, and we know by the definition of acceleration itself that it is change in velocity with respect to time. So final velocity minus initial velocity by time is called as acceleration. Okay, so I'm going to write down the same formula: mass final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So now I only have to just put the values. All the values are in their SI form, so no need to convert the units. Okay, so mass is 50 kg, initial velocity and final velocities are here. First I am going to write down final minus initial divided by time. Okay, so this is force. Now the next thing is, you will see that it is coming out to be minus 15. As you can see, the change of velocity is minus 15 divided by time is how much? It is 5 seconds. Fine. Let's try to calculate it. 5 ones are 5, 0. So the force or the net resisting force is coming out to be minus 150 newtons. And this is the answer. If you can see the minus sign over here, this minus sign represent that, this minus negative sign represent that you will have to apply force in opposite direction of motion. Okay, if force you are applying is in backward direction, so velocity will be in forward direction, and vice versa. If the velocity is in backward direction, or you can say to the left hand side, then you will have to apply force in right hand side. Okay, I hope you have done the numerical correctly, and you have also commented it in the comment section. So over here you can also check, it is coming out to be option number B is the correct answer. Thank you, friends.